days, sometimes even weeks in advance. This early warning system allowed the plant operators to schedule maintenance proactively rather than reactively responding to failures. But the benefits didn't stop there. The AI system also recommended specific maintenance actions based on the nature of the predicted failure. This reduced the guesswork for the maintenance team and helped them address the root cause of the problem rather than just the symptoms. Furthermore, the AI system helped the plant optimize their maintenance schedule. By identifying which equipment was at risk and when, the plant could prioritize maintenance activities, reducing unnecessary checks on equipment that was in good health. This not only saved time, but also extended the lifespan of their equipment. In short, the AI system became an invaluable member of the team, working 24/7 and providing insights that were previously impossible to obtain. It improved the plant's operational efficiency, safety, and overall profitability. As you can see, the implementation of AI in this power plant's predictive maintenance strategy not only prevented potential equipment failures, but also saved them significant operational costs. So what does this mean for the future of predictive maintenance in power plants? Well, it's a game changer. The integration of artificial intelligence is transforming the way we manage power plants. By utilizing AI, power plants become more efficient, safe, and cost-effective. These smart systems can identify patterns that the human eye might miss, predicting potential failures before they happen. Imagine the power of being able to forecast a fault before it causes a costly shutdown, a world where maintenance happens just in time, not a moment too early or too late. This is the future that AI is paving for predictive maintenance in power plants. The benefits don't stop there. AI also contributes to a safer working environment by minimizing the risk of catastrophic failures. It's like having a crystal ball that not only sees the future, but also helps us shape it. The future of predictive maintenance in power plants is bright, and AI is set to revolutionize the way we manage and maintain our power plants.